have just seen the making of 40 copies of a one-page document on an offset duplicator. Depending upon the circumstances, the job can take hours, sometimes days, due to work backlogged from many departments. You have just seen the creation of 40 copies of a one-page document made on the Xerox 2400. Anyone can do it in minutes. Without going into all the technicalities, what is the difference? Why does it sometimes take days to get needed copies? It's a matter of steps, each one with a built-in potential for delay and error. With offset duplicating, the original document is usually typed. A requisition or job ticket must be prepared. Someone usually hand carries the original and job ticket to a master maker, where a master is made. After receiving the master, the duplicator operator begins his make-ready. Then the copies are run off. And finally, the copies are delivered. 7 steps. There's a dramatic difference when the Xerox 2400 is used on the same job. The original document is prepared, and the copies are generated at the point of need. 2 steps instead of 7. A big difference. Is there a department manager who has never wished for a machine right in his own department for short-run duplicating? The Xerox 2400 makes this wish a reality. Now at last, documents can be created almost instantly, without walking, without make-ready, without masters, without preparing requisitions. Going far beyond the mere satisfying of short-run duplicating needs, the Xerox 2400 has at its very foundation the ability to create new documents. Basically, 3 techniques are used: addition, deletion, and substitution. Techniques destined to save a great deal of money for a great many businesses. Any good 20-pound bound paper may be used. Addition. Deletion. Substitution. Creating new documents, adding, deleting, substituting, the Xerox 2400 brings to businesses everywhere new possibilities for speed, accuracy, and economy. This quiet miracle will generate up to 499 documents at a single dial setting. then obediently shut itself off. Although there are many systems for business communication, one or more of three fundamental systems are used by most businesses. The Xerox 2400 is ideally suited to the needs of these three key systems. Shorthand names for the three are sales order invoicing, purchase order receiving, and production order writing. In the sales order invoicing system, many documents are required to ensure efficiency, good customer relations, and positive control. Traditional communication methods may require the preparation of duplicating masters for either the spirit or offset process. Still other methods call for the use of many carbon forms and much repetitive writing. The Xerox 2400 eliminates almost all of this. And because xerography is a dry process, it also ends this problem. Because the Xerox 2400 creates documents, instead of merely copying them, the original sales order is used to create all the necessary forms. Using the addition, deletion, substitution techniques with the sales order, anyone in the office can handle the sales order invoicing system. In seconds, newly created forms are put to work. Shipping order, packing list, customer acknowledgement, invoices, and accounts receivable. And in additional seconds, action copies of the accepted order are available to the sales department, the warehouse, the accounting department, and the production control department, and all without a master, without a highly skilled operator, but with improved copy quality. The typical purchase order system is handled equally well by the Xerox 2400. Using simple overlays, all subsequent documents are created from the original purchase requisition. The risk of error in repetitious typing is eliminated, labor costs are reduced, and valuable hours are saved. In an ordinary production order writing system, there's a great deal of repetitious writing and clerical time spent in scheduling manufacturing. And because a single item may be scheduled for production many times in a year, this kind of repetitive multiplicity may be repeated as often as 10 or more times a year. It's an expensive communication operation. With a Xerox 2400, the original production order, plus a rescheduling overlay to include the new date, production order number, project number, and quantity needed, make present communication systems obsolete by turning the production order writing system into a streamlined paper flow process. Yes, the Xerox 2400 brings many advantages to all three of the most used business communication systems. Documents are created at the point of need, in line with production. And where system work calls for Xerox versatility at a smaller volume, the remarkable Xerox 420 is recommended. Functioning as convenient satellites on the perimeter of the 2400 service area, the 420 provides Xerox capability instantly available to nearby personnel. Take any short-run job, anything from an important announcement to the most sophisticated technical reporting. The Xerox 2400 provides a happier solution to short-run duplication problems. Taking its name from the 2400 crisp black and white documents it generates every hour, The Xerox 2400 needs no highly trained personnel. The most unskilled operator makes sharp, permanent copies on ordinary paper the first try, and every try thereafter, from black or colored inks or pencils. There's no master, no wasted material, no wasted time, no make-ready, no cleanup. When documents are generated at the point of need, paperwork simply can't interfere with more pressing business. And what does all this cost? The answer to that question is the most exciting part of the story, because in many applications the cost per copy with the Xerox 2400 will be comparable to Spirit, mimeograph, or offset. And to make the Xerox 2400 harmonize with any surroundings, 5 sets of color panels are available. The modern magic of the Xerox 2400 is a little like Aladdin's lamp, awaiting only a touch to do man's bidding. The speed, economy, simplicity, and convenience of the Xerox 2400 masterless reproduction challenge the imagination. The touch of a button speeds the flow of virtually any documented communication. Paperwork is put into proper perspective, a business servant, not a master. Only Xerox takes thought from mind to paper so easily and so well. What's the difference? Xerox makes the difference.